Deep in the Amazon rainforest, researchers have made an extraordinary discovery. A colossal snake, unlike anything ever documented, has emerged from one of the most unexplored regions on Earth. Measuring over 30 feet in length, this serpent challenges everything we know about giant snakes. Its sheer size, unusual physical traits, and mysterious behavior have stunned scientists. Some believe it could be an undiscovered species. Others suggest it may be linked to ancient indigenous legends. Could this be the legendary giant serpent that Amazonian tribes have spoken about for centuries? As footage of this creature spreads, the debate between scientists and cryptozoologists is intensifying. The discovery was made by a team of researchers and local guides deep within the Amazon basin. The expedition was part of a wildlife study aimed at documenting large predators in the region. While navigating a dense, remote swamp, the team noticed disturbances in the water. What they saw next was shocking, a snake so massive that even the experienced guides were left in disbelief. The researchers managed to capture high-resolution footage of the creature, showing its immense size and movement patterns. This footage has now become the center of attention among biologists worldwide. The Amazon rainforest, covering over 2.1 million square miles, still holds many secrets. This discovery is proof that the region is home to creatures we have yet to understand. This newly discovered snake is estimated to be over 30 feet long, possibly exceeding the size of the largest known anacondas. Some reports suggest it could weigh over 500 pounds. Its scale pattern is different from any known species, featuring unusual ridges and an iridescent sheen not commonly seen in anacondas. Unlike typical green anacondas, which have dark green and black markings, this snake has a more muted coloration, possibly for enhanced camouflage in the dense jungle. Experts analyzing the footage have noted its unique muscular structure. Its movement appears more powerful, with greater speed and agility compared to other large snakes. Some researchers suspect this could be an evolutionary advantage, allowing it to hunt in ways never observed before. What makes this snake even more unusual is its hunting technique. Unlike traditional anacondas that rely on ambush tactics, this serpent appears to be an active hunter. Local eyewitnesses claim it has been seen moving swiftly through both water and land, striking with extreme precision. Researchers have found evidence of large prey kills in areas where the snake was spotted. Some reports suggest it may even have specialized muscles allowing it to constrict prey faster than any known snake species. If true, this adaptation could make it one of the most efficient predators in the Amazon. There are also indications that this species may hunt in ways different from other large snakes, possibly taking down prey much larger than itself. For centuries, Amazonian tribes have spoken about giant serpents lurking in the depths of the jungle. Legends describe creatures like the Yakumama, a mythical snake believed to grow over 100 feet long and capable of creating massive waves in rivers. Other stories tell of the Tsukurai Gigante, a serpent so large it could drag entire boats underwater. Could this newly discovered snake be the origin of these ancient myths? Many of these legends were dismissed as exaggerations. But now, with real evidence of a previously unknown giant snake, scientists are reconsidering these stories. Indigenous communities claim they have encountered these creatures before, but until now, no verifiable evidence had been captured. This discovery is reigniting interest in whether these ancient myths could be based on real animals that have remained hidden for centuries. The discovery has sparked intense debate among scientists. Some believe this is a previously undiscovered species of anaconda. Others argue it may be a mutation of an existing species, possibly a genetic anomaly. Experts from major institutions are now reviewing the footage and preparing for field studies to confirm the snake's identity. The sheer size of this creature challenges previous records. The longest confirmed anaconda was 29 feet long, found in Brazil in 2016. If this new snake exceeds that size, it could rewrite what we know about giant reptiles. However, some skeptics believe the footage could be misleading. They argue that size estimations in the wild are difficult and require physical measurements. Regardless, there is a strong push for further investigation. If confirmed as a new species, this snake could significantly impact our understanding of the Amazon ecosystem. A predator of this size could indicate an unseen balance in the food chain, suggesting there may be other undiscovered species in the region. conservationists are already raising concerns. If this snake is rare, it could be at risk from deforestation and human activity. The Amazon loses nearly 10,000 square kilometers of forest every year. Habitat destruction threatens many species before they can even be studied. Understanding this snake's role in the ecosystem could provide new insights into conservation efforts. The video footage has been analyzed by several wildlife experts, and the initial findings are compelling. The clarity of the recording makes it difficult to dismiss. Advanced image analysis confirms the snake's scale patterns and movement are unlike any previously recorded species. Some scientists are calling for DNA sampling to determine if this is a known species or something new. However, getting a DNA sample from such a massive and potentially dangerous creature poses a significant challenge. In past cases of alleged giant snake discoveries, photographic evidence alone has not been enough to confirm new species. That's why researchers are now planning new expeditions to track and observe this snake in its natural habitat. Scientists and wildlife conservationists are preparing for follow-up expeditions to determine the true identity of this snake. The goal is to capture clearer footage, take precise measurements, and, if possible, obtain biological samples for DNA testing. The biggest challenge will be tracking the snake in the dense Amazonian terrain. The region's thick vegetation and remote location make research extremely difficult. Teams will use drones, thermal imaging, and motion-activated cameras to monitor the snake's movements. If this snake is officially classified as a new species, it will be one of the most significant zoological discoveries in recent history. The Amazon rainforest has always been a place of mystery. This discovery proves that it still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. The finding of this gigantic snake has left scientists, researchers, and wildlife experts stunned. Its size, behavior, and unusual characteristics have raised more questions than answers. Whether it's an undiscovered species or a rare mutation, one thing is certain: there is still much to learn about the depths of the Amazon. The world now watches as researchers prepare for the next step in uncovering the truth behind this mysterious creature. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about giant snakes, and its implications could be groundbreaking. The search for answers continues.